Hi everyone, it's great to see you. Today for Black Friday, I headed to a nursery. I went to Wildwood Nursery and Garden Center, and this is a adorable nursery in Rhode Island. If you are nearby, I highly recommend that you take a look, stop by and visit, and let me show you what I was looking at, the things I got. It was so much fun. Right around the parking area, there's a whole bunch of fun things to look at right away. And they have their holiday decorations out, like this cute mailbox with the lights. It really is looking festive. So it's fun to go just for that. But take a look at this beautiful standard dwarf globe here. And this is just so beautiful. It was such a good size. So this is a blue spruce dwarf variety, but it's a really mature one. So you could put this in your garden for instant impact. They actually had two here. Oh, it was so hard to resist. They were fabulous. And then I saw this Japanese yew. I've been considering getting a Japanese yew. Apparently they do pretty well in part shade, so I thought it might be a good choice for me. That was really hard to resist too, and they had a bunch of those, and then I kept walking. Oh my goodness, just so nice to see plants. Look at this bear with all the lights on it. They have a walk through the lights and sort of an open house coming up, I believe the 5th and 6th. Oh, and look at this with the red berries. I love winterberry. This is just a beautiful one. Now, winterberry depends how well it does for you. I can grow it very well here, but my birds love the berries. They don't last very long. And then take a look at this gorgeous weeping spruce. So this is a Slenderina blue spruce, and it really is slender, and it has that weeping look at the top. $2.85. Once again, this was a good size, instant impact. I could have taken that home too. So, okay, let's take a look inside here. We'll just go through the main entrance here, and then right away, they had some interesting things they keep right on the table there. Look at the adorable hens and chicks. Oh my goodness. Of course, I'm going to be propagating mine soon. And they have a bunch of arrangements made up, hanging baskets, wreaths, any of your cut greenery that you need. It's a great place to go for that. But they have a fun gift shop. So I usually don't stop in at the gift shop, but it's getting close to Christmas here, so I couldn't resist. And I just have to share with you all the adorable things here. Oh my goodness. For anyone who likes to decorate for the holidays, this really was fun to shop around. They really have some unique things here. So maybe if you're looking for a hostess gift or, something different for one of your Christmas trees, you can find some really unique things here. Very Rhode Island if you're from around here. Some adorable gingerbread houses up on here, and it's decorated so cute. Lots of trees. Look at that ribbon at the top. I love that. This was a really pretty red and gold tree. And the thing that caught my eye most were these stars. So they're three-dimensional and glittery and just adorable. They had two sizes, a smaller and a larger size. And as we walk along here, there's a candle display, some charcuterie boards. I have some of those candles that look like Christmas trees. I'm loving them. This, I think, was my favorite. This gold table setting. Look at the giant pine cones with those pretty stars around them again too, which I love. But the giant gold pine cones were gorgeous. Oh my goodness. They were a little out of my price range, but they really were beautiful. Oh my goodness. And look, they have the silver and gold garland around it with the balls. You know, I like to use those outside. I have the red ones, but I really liked the silver and the gold combination, and it looked so pretty with that beautiful pine cone. Okay, so I was checking out how much it was here, and I believe it was $99. Just gorgeous, though. Behind it, you just saw a glimpse of that arrangement, too, in that gold vase. There's our large star. So pretty. And then they have some beautiful candles. Then we have this blue and sort of silver and gold tree, also really pretty. The nice thing on this tree was, look at how unique this is. It's so Rhode Island to have those sailboats, and it's an oyster shell that somebody has painted and I think decoupaged on the sailboats. A really nice Rhode Island type feel to it. And I don't think I've seen one just like that. I loved some of the balls. A lot of these were glass, and of course I don't do anything breakable, but so fun to look at it. Some cute serving pieces. Really cute, like little note cards here. They had 4 different designs. Very sweet. Some tags for packages. And then, of course, a red cardinal. You know I love any red cardinal or bird ornaments, actually. I'm keeping my eyes open for owl ornaments. They have a lot of, like, hand soaps and things that are made locally. Look at these dog ornaments. Okay, I'm a cat person, you know. But if I were a dog person, these felted dogs were adorable. They had such personality. And they had so many different kinds of dog ornaments. If you're going to visit somebody who loves dogs, that would be a great little hostess gift. And we'll just take a little stroll along here. This little tree was so cute. It's all vegetables. Look at this little clove of garlic. Oh my goodness. I almost got that from my sister. Another dog. So cute. This is really beautiful. And here we have another gold pine cone. I really liked this one too. Look at the size of this. It's really big. This is an ornament. It was nice and light. It did not feel breakable. I could really see that on my owl tree that is done in gold. It was spectacular and sparkly. So pretty. So this is sort of a woodland area with the deer and the ornaments. So cute. This little gift area goes back pretty far. And here we have a bunch of Santa Clauses and some mugs and glasses and table setting. Another dog. I think I like animals. I keep zeroing in on the pets. Those sparkly white trees were really pretty also. And then over here, we have some drink ornaments. Really, really cute, festive gifts. Towards the back, it gets into some children's items. Oh, but first we have some jewelry. This was periwinkle. So in Rhode Island, we have Barlow. Periwinkle is part of Barlow jewelry. And so this is made here, those in particular. And then there are some other kinds. Look at these mushrooms up here. These were really, really cute too. I don't have any mushroom ornaments, but I can tell that they're pretty popular right now. Okay, and as we come around to the children's area, really sweet. A lot of little animals, stuffies, and of course they had some mice. You know, I have a Christmas tree done in mice for the garden mouse, so I liked those a lot. Some really cute stuffed animals. And look at this fun tree. Oh my goodness, a s'more. It was just adorable. So sweet. It makes me miss having a little one. My daughter's 24 now. I would still get her all the cute things if I could. And a lot of little animals on here. Really happy. I love that tree there. I think I pick one up in a few minutes. They're just really unique. Don't they look kid-like too, with the colors and the pom-poms? That is so sweet. And all the lighted Christmas trees back here with some gnomes. Oh, and these were really cute too. This was sort of like another woodland tree with lots of little animals and animals underneath, like the sloth. So sweet. And there were some cute little moose, penguins, dogs, you name it, they had it. Oh, and I liked this little bag with the owls on it. So cute. You really could find a gift for anybody here. That's the nice thing, to have a one-stop shopping. Oh, and I did think that these guys were adorable. Take a look. Oh my goodness. They were so sweet. Just so cute. A little prickly. $10 for a big ornament like that, and a really sweet one. And you know, if you give that to someone, they're probably not going to have one like that, but it's just, who wouldn't like that? Little pajamas, stuffed strawberries, snowmen. It was just fun to look through here. What can I say? This was a really pretty tree too, with the flowers on it in kind of this mauve and maroon. Really enjoyed that. Some big maroon balls. Very elegant. So this was so fun, just being in this gift area. So much to see. Oh, we're back to the gold table. Look at that arrangement. That just makes me want to remember that. So I think of doing something like that sometime myself. Just beautiful. Just overflowing with Christmas happiness here. So if you're in the area and you're looking for a unique gift, I would highly recommend Wildwood for their gifts, along with for their plants and for their greenery. They have Christmas trees there. So stepping outside, here are the Christmas trees, and they really looked fabulous. It smelled like Christmas. It was just lovely. They also have just a lot of conifers. I loved this little one here. Let me see. This, yes, was a Swiss stone pine. It was adorable, and a lot of these just really great additions to the garden. If you're not ready to give up gardening right now, get one of these, put it in your yard. It would just be a great addition to any yard. And a lot of them were a really good size. There were quite a few heuchera, some wintergreen, lots of greenery. Any types of greenery if you want to make your own combinations. And then this was beautiful. So this is my haul that I came home with. I did get an oyster ornament with the sailboats, and I picked up 3 of the gold stars. I might be keeping these, but they're also going to be adorable in a little gift bag as a hostess gift. So cute. And they had some bulbs left, 35% off. I got a bunch of hyacinths. What can I say? I want to plant more. I did pick up a postcard while I was there advertising their walk through the Wildwoods. So on the 5th and 6th of December, that's a week from now, they are doing their open house, and they have a whole light set up for Christmas, and it looks like a lot of fun. I will link their website below. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to share with you one of the local businesses here that I enjoy going to and seeing what they do at the holidays. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.